Episode 6, Weekend Plans. Slow and Clear English Podcast. Beginner A1, A2. Intro.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Slow and Clear English.
Hi, I'm Jack.
And I'm Emma.
Today we're going to talk about weekend plans.
You will hear useful English for making plans, inviting friends, talking about free time, and relaxing.
This episode is perfect for beginner English learners.
We will speak slowly and clearly.
Listen carefully and repeat the useful sentences.
Let's begin.
Main conversation.
Hi, Jack. How was your week?
Hi, Emma. It was busy. I worked every day.
Me too. I'm happy the weekend is finally here.
Me too. Do you have any plans?
Not many yet. I'm still thinking about it.
I love weekends because I don't need to wake up early.
That's true. What time do you usually wake up on Saturdays?
Around 9 o'clock.
Only 9? I thought you would sleep until 11.
Sometimes I do.
That's funny.
What about you?
I usually wake up around 8.
Even on weekends?
Yes, my body wakes me up.
You're lucky.
Maybe. What is the first thing you do on Saturday morning?
I make coffee.
Of course,
Then I sit on my balcony and enjoy the quiet morning.
that sounds relaxing.
What do you do?
I make tea and prepare breakfast.
Do you cook?
Yes, I usually cook eggs, toast, tomatoes, and cheese.
That sounds delicious.
Breakfast is my favorite meal on weekends.
Mine too.
After breakfast, I usually clean my apartment.
Really?
Yes, it feels good to start the weekend with a clean home.
I usually clean on Sunday.
That's okay. Everyone has a different routine.
Exactly.
What do you like doing after breakfast?
Sometimes I go for a walk,
Where do you walk?
usually in a nearby park.
Do you walk alone?
Sometimes yes.
Do you listen to music?
Sometimes music, sometimes English podcasts.
It's a great idea.
Walking and learning English at the same time.
Very productive.
What do you usually do on Saturday afternoon?
Sometimes I meet my friends,
Where do you meet?
usually at a cafe.
Do you always drink tea?
Yes,
I already knew that.
and you always order coffee.
Exactly.
What do you usually talk about?
Work, travel, movies, books, and funny stories.
That sounds nice.
Sometimes we also play board games.
I like board games.
What's your favorite?
Chess.
Really? You're good at chess?
Not really, but I enjoy playing.
I like card games.
Those are fun too.
Do you ever go shopping on weekends?
Sometimes.
I usually do my grocery shopping on Saturday.
Me too.
It's less stressful than shopping after work.
Exactly.
Do you like shopping for clothes?
Not very much.
Really?
I prefer buying books.
Books instead of clothes?
Yes.
That's interesting.
What about you?
I like buying technology.
New phones?
Sometimes?
Headphones?
Yes.
And coffee?
Always coffee.
I knew it.
Saturday evenings are my favorite
Why?
because I can watch movies without thinking about work tomorrow.
That's true.
Do you watch movies at home?
Usually.
Do you go to the cinema?
Sometimes.
What kind of movies do you like?
Comedy and adventure movies.
I like action movies.
Do you eat popcorn?
Always.
Sweet or salty?
Salty.
I prefer sweet popcorn.
Really?
Yes.
Interesting.
Sunday is different for me.
How?
Sunday is quieter.
Mine too.
I usually visit my parents.
That's nice.
We drink tea together and talk.
Family time is important.
Yes.
I usually call my parents on Sunday.
Do they live far away?
Yes,
Do you miss them?
of course.
They must be happy when you call.
I think so.
After visiting my family, I prepare for Monday.
What do you do?
I prepare my clothes.
Good idea.
I check my calendar.
Very organized.
I prepare my work bag too.
I should do that.
It makes Monday easier.
I usually wait until Monday morning.
That makes mornings stressful.
You're right.
Do you exercise on weekends?
Sometimes
What kind of exercise?
walking or cycling.
That's healthy.
What about you?
I like yoga.
Does it help?
Yes, it helps me relax.
I should try it.
Maybe.
Do you ever stay home all weekend?
Sometimes.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes.
Some people think staying home is boring.
Not for me.
Why?
Because I can read books, cook, watch movies, and relax.
That sounds wonderful.
Weekends don't need to be busy.
I agree.
Sometimes doing nothing is exactly what we need.
Yes.
What is your perfect weekend?
Good coffee.
Of course,
A long walk.
nice.
Meeting friends.
Good.
Watching a movie.
Excellent.
And sleeping well.
That sounds like a perfect weekend.
What about yours?
Tea.
I knew it.
A good book.
Very nice.
Family time.
Perfect.
And a quiet Sunday evening.
That sounds peaceful.
Weekends help us prepare for a new week.
Exactly. Useful sentences.
Let's review today's useful expressions.
Repeat after us.
Do you have any plans this weekend?
I'm going to meet my friends.
I'm going for a walk.
Would you like to join me?
That sounds great.
Maybe next time.
I'm going to visit my family.
I'm going grocery shopping.
I want to relax.
I'm staying home this weekend.
Perfect.
Mini practice. Question 1. What are you doing this weekend?
You can answer,
I'm going to visit my family. Or, I'm staying home. Question 2. Do you like weekends?
yes, I do.
Or, no, I don't. Question 3. What is your favorite weekend activity?
Reading,
Walking. Cooking. Watching movies. Meeting friends. Excellent.
That's the end of today's conversation.
Today we talked about weekend plans.
We learned useful English for talking about free time and making plans.
Try to describe your own weekend in English.
Listen again and repeat the conversation.
Speak slowly.
Speak clearly.
Thank you for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye.